This presentation will help you with helping verbs, and this is in Unit 9. A helping verb is a word or words which comes before an action or linking verb and helps form different tenses. The helping verb and the main verb make up the verb phrase. So here are some examples. So crawl is the main verb. Will is the helping verb. So the verb phrase is will crawl. Listen is the main verb. Has been is the helping verb or helping verbs. So the verb phrase has been listening. Find is the main verb. Would have been is the helping verbs or are the helping verbs. And of course, would have been found is the verb phrase. Listen and find were changed to the proper verb tense, so please make note of that. Here are some helping verbs.
Helping verbs, there are 23. Am, is, are, was, and were, being, been, and be. Have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, should, will, and would. There were 5 more helping verbs, may, might, must, can, could.
So you just have to memorize those. That little ditty can help you do that. Now you may have noticed that some of the helping verbs were taught to you as action verbs, such as do and have. If one of these verbs is the last word in the verb phrase, then it is an action verb. If, however, it is not the last word in the verb phrase, it is a helping verb. So here's some examples. I will do my homework. Will do is the verb phrase and do is the action verb. Notice that do is the last in the verb phrase. I do not want any lunch. I do want is the verb phrase, and do then, because it's not the last verb, is the helping verb. Okay, you may have also noticed helping verbs in the list above, which were taught to you as linking verbs, is, am, are, etc. If one of these words is the last word in the verb phrase, it is a linking verb. Otherwise, they are helping verbs. So, John will be a senior. Will be is the verb phrase, and be is a linking verb. John will be going to college. Will be going is a verb phrase, and be is a helping verb. A favorite spot for adverbs to live is between the helping verb and the main verb. I should really do my homework. That's why you need to know those helping verbs by heart. Otherwise, you might mistake an adverb for a helping verb. I don't think any of you will do that, though. So here's how you diagram helping verbs. Helping verbs are just part of the verb, so they're diagrammed like this. Josephine will be my study partner in algebra class. Look at this. Josephine will be. Check that out. How to diagram a question? Well, most of the questions in our language are formed by moving the words in a statement around and putting them in a different order. It's like inversion. Look at the following examples. I should do my homework versus should I do my homework? Notice that in order to form a question, the helping verb is simply moved in front of the subject. He walked to school. Did he walk to school? I hope so. In this case, because the original statement did not have a helping verb is added to the sentence, again in front of the subject. To diagram a question, the helping verb still goes in the verb slot, but it's capitalized to show that it came first in the sentence. Look at the diagram below. I should do, right? Look at this S here. Homework, my homework. So should I do my homework? The answer is yes. If you have any questions, please come see me in English IT or ask when we're actually going to the board and reviewing it. Hope this helps.